cause I'm laughing at you. I ain't laughing with you niggas cause I'm laughing at you. Yeah, laughing at you. Yeah, I'm laughing at you, dog. Ooh. Hey, da, dobro došli u Srbije. Hey, kako ste danas, moji braći i sestri? Dobro došli, dobro jutro, dobar dan i dobro večer. Da, ja znam, ja sam, ja znam, Ease America, you know what I'm saying? I'm from America. If you're new to the channel, this is, you know what I'm saying, the Serbian, you know what I'm saying, Royal Empire. Welcome, you know what I'm saying? And this is for all my Serbskis out in Serbia, you know what I'm saying? You already know Postra Savima, you know what I'm saying? Moja braći i sestri, you know what I'm saying? Kako ste danas, you know what I'm saying? Gadeya i Serbia, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It's your boy, Jay Munchie, you know what I'm saying? Zom se jaj vrmuncije, you know what I'm saying? Dobro došli, implement jaj vrmuncije, doje se nazad sa drugom over gori, you know what I'm saying? Hip hop, Serbski, drugom, novu, reaksilium, da, you know what I'm saying? Mori bre, you know what I'm saying? We're going to be reacting to the Serbian rap group by the name of Pretty BG, you know what I'm saying? It's called Tika Taka, you know what I'm saying? So let's get into this reaction video. Da, you know what I'm saying? Vras bite do dugmi I Pristini dugmi za prepratu I uklušite za varo za obaveštenja. Da, you know what I'm saying? You already know. Let's get straight into this reaction video. Banda, Saragangarate, sub, banda. Oh, so they from Belgrade.
Hajho, Silver, ja nejaše već vozi zelenog jarisa na svakoj lepoj drozi. Oči su mi zelene, a plave kad je sunce. Jure me kurve, daj napravim mladunce. Peti nam je album, petarda se zove. Petarda kokte da namažem na krove. Vozimo se, duvamo, bez kultona kuramo. Sad valjamo pesme, kultru ne rasturamo. Nosimo uniformu kao policajci. Najveći gangsteri u prtjege majci. Na koncertima ludilo, na festivalu haos. Jer u backstage uvek vučem na nos. Dojavu dobijam na mobil telefone. Da me plavi ponovo progone. Čikinone none, razumi me šone. Eufrat kurajber, ne nosi kurtone. Srce kurca, tika taka na ulici. Usred braka oće vene i otaka. Ćelija kod padinjaka, spali par metaka. Nigdje neće umeštaka, okljunaka rodima. Čitav život jurili me plavi, jer cigi i mozgi su orotati ćelavi. Koman beše on, ali ipak ja sam veći. Pandur kad me sretne, stav mi je ležeći. Because amaganci ain't having fun. 3 puta izboden, 5 puta ranjavan. Debeli i garavi, žene su vam karali. I Loradu i Šonetu, i nisu se umarali. Odradit ću roberi, neću se ukakit. A set, fuck it, skidaj satove i nakit. Spreng su.
So what location is this? Like, what is this? What this used to be or something? I see there like statues to the far left of the screen. Well, it was. But I like the graffiti, you know what I'm saying? What part of Serbia is this? You know what I'm saying? They need to cut down that, I don't know if they did, but they need to cut down that overgrown weeds and look like vines growing on that. Is that a gate or some type of, that's a wall, right? Yeah, they need to cut that off so they can show all the beautiful, you know what I'm saying, and super awesome, you know what I'm saying, graffiti. Hell yeah. Come on, bro. Bro. Like right in the middle of my damn reaction. God damn it.
Civilu plengiju jebotego, metadana kasnije pogledama pod lego. U čitu nije pisalo da mi jako žao što sam giju brže ja izvukao. Now you see, I'm not Mr. Nice Guy. Sluša ovog četvrtaka, sada ide pravo u raj. Jebeš. Yo. Srce kuca, tika taka na ulici usred mraka. Oči mene i otaka, ćelija kod padinjaka. Kad ispalim par metaka, nigde neće opeštaka. Tog junaka rodi majka, ubojicu četvrtaka. Srce kuca, tika taka na ulici usred mraka. Oči mene i otaka, ćelija kod padinjaka. Kad ispalim par metaka, nigde neće opeštaka. Tog junaka rodi majka, ubojicu četvrtaka. Yeah.
Fonte. Okay, you know what I'm saying? I like that, you know what I'm saying? Y'all sound strong, no Ujival, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Hey, banda, Salagangarate, sa banda me. If you enjoyed this reaction video, make sure you smash that like button, make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notifications, you know what I'm saying? Hey, you know what I'm saying? I speak, you know what I'm saying? I'm getting better with my Serbian, you know what I'm saying, every day, you know what I'm saying? So I'm learning new phrases and all that type of you know what I'm saying? And I am actually translating all the lyrics, but not the lyrics, but I'm translating the titles to the songs, so I can learn more phrases as I go along. You know what I'm saying? So don't be surprised if you ever hear me use the phrase "tika daka." So I will look it up and find out what it means and all that type of good stuff. You know what I'm saying? To use it properly. You know what I'm saying? But you know what I'm saying? Havala ti, havala vamo, yabrachi, essentially. You know what I'm saying? Thank you guys for watching. You know what I'm saying? Hey, do Virginia, post it off.